What's going on, guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, before I start with the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know next time when I drop a new video you get notified. And don't forget to like and share the video, guys. So today I'm going to analyze US 100, which is Nasdaq, and I'm going to analyze GER30, and I'm going to analyze Gbpjpy. So yeah, let's get it. So firstly, I'm going to start with Nasdaq. We are on a daily time frame on Nasdaq, so you guys know how we do it. You mark your lowest low of the structure, you mark your highest high of the structure, and we mark our important key levels. Okay, another one is this one. So on Nasdaq, let's go to 4-hour. And see what's up. So on a 4-hour time frame, remember guys, last week we were having this type of a structure on Nasdaq. We were having this type of a structure, and it went up very nicely. So looking at the structure on 4-hour, so, and again we were having this type of structure like the pattern inside, which was this one. So looking at this, you can see like the market, it's now currently, it gave us a double top. So remember, like at least we have to push to the up to the trend line, to touch this trend line, and after wait for the market to give us a correction before going to the downside. But also what we have to consider is like not always the market is going to give us a third touch. So so now we are having a double top, so the market might push to the downside and give us a correction, and after push to the downside. So what we have to do, at least like we have to wait. Let me go to 1 hour. So on 1 hour, what do you have to do? At least we have to wait for the market to push to the downside, give us a correction. So the minute we start seeing the correction, that's when we will start looking for sell opportunities around here and go to the downside. But also we have to bear in mind, like the market might not do this. It might again push to the upside and give us a touch here before going to the downside. So like you just have to see what the market has to do. So like last week we anticipated the buy on Nasdaq. So yeah, and shout out to people who took Nasdaq. So let's look at another pair. So guys, the other pair is GER30. Sorry about this, let me do this. So on GER30 we are on a daily time frame. Mark my lowest low of the structure, mark my highest high of the structure, and like looking on our left hand side, you see like we were having something like this. So it might happen that the market might push to the upside and complete the 90% rule of this trend line before shooting to the downside. So let's go to a lower time frame and see what's happening. So let's go straight to 4-hour. So on 4-hour, let me just remove this trend line. So on 4 hour, the market broke this high. You see, like the market broke this high, the previous high. So let me go to 1 hour. So we might have like two possibilities on this one. It's either the market will keep on playing around here and start shooting to the upside, or what might happen is the market might let's see, what structure do we find. Let me just zoom in for you guys. So looking at on our left hand side, we can see like we are having an impulse, then this part is a correction. We might expect another impulse to the downside. So remember, impulse, correction, impulse, then we good. You get it? Then we're good. So the market might push to the downside before going up to give us a third touch. Then that's when we will look for sell opportunities. But also, to be on a safe side, remember the market broke the previous high, so what might happen is the market might push to the downside and break this horizontal ray. So the minute the market breaks the horizontal ray, so we have to wait for the market to give us if the market breaks our horizontal ray with an impulse, so we have to wait for the market to give us a correction. Then that's when we are going to look forward for sell opportunities. So like for the market to break this horizontal ray, so for us it's going to be a confirmation. Like now we are going to looking forward for we are going to look for sell opportunities. So like we have to be patient on this one. And remember guys, like patient and risk management is everything. Like I don't wanna lie, patience and risk management is everything. So let's go to another pair, which is Gbpjpy on a daily time frame. Gbpjpy on a daily time frame. So on Gbpjpy, this is a daily time frame. This is our lowest low, and this is our highest high. Let's go straight to 4 hour. So on 4 hour guys, we can see how like we had an impulse. So let's see what the price is currently doing. So let me just push it like this, do it like this. So we are on a 4 hour time frame. And remember, when you draw your trend lines, you don't have to force anything. You don't have to force structures, because you guys might end up trading the structures that you guys don't know. So this is our 4 hour. So clearly we are going to look for sell opportunities. So you take our bar pattern, you put it here. So now it's making sense. So like let's go to straight to 1 hour. To 1 hour. So in order for us to look for an entry, you might draw your trend line here, just like this. So you wait for the market to break the trend line, and on lower time frame like 15 minutes, look for a correction, and after you draw your pattern, then that's when we are going to look for what? That's when we are going to look for our sell opportunities. That's when we are going to look for sell opportunities. So for Gbpjpy this coming week, I'm expecting the market to sell. So if like none of this happens, like it's okay. If none of this happens, it's okay. It's okay. But if it sells, you know, like our target, it's around this zone or this level. Let me just take my bar pattern just to measure. Let me just take my bar pattern just to measure. So like this is what we are looking for on Gbpjpy this coming week. So the sell opportunities. So guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you know next time when I drop a new video you get notified. So I will leave everything on my description if you want to subscribe to my chat, to my signals, if you want to join my mentorship or one-on-one program. Like I will leave my details on the description below. So thank you for watching. You know the vibes. Yes sir. Yeah.